the landscape design shown here is going to be implemented in a number of stages. There will be a native species regeneration stage in that zone on the right. Stage 3 is an edible wild food and medicinal plant trail following that path around. We would want at different times to show different zones or different stages. One way to manage that process is to use what is referred to as the layer states manager. I've created 4 states so far. I've got one all states on. So if I want to turn stage 2 off, should have said all stages on, not states on. Stage 2, which is let's just go back. Let's close from there. So we have stage 1 here, stage 2 down there, and stage 3 at the left. If we want to turn off just stage 2, let's do that using this layer states manager. Stage 2 off, I restore it, and OK. And stage 2 disappears, stage 3 disappears. So in fact I should have renamed that state. I just built it. That should be renamed stage 2 and 3 off, and we're done. I'll just, while I'm at it, I'll restore all stages on and restore that. Now everything shows. So can you see that by creating layer states to manage the display of zones within the design, you can control what you see relatively easily. This has quite a number of stages in it, so the design needs to be developed quite a lot more, but the layer states manager can assist in this development. The layer states can be applied not only to model space as we're doing here, but if I format, layout, make a new layout, it's highly likely here you would present the design on, say, an A1 sheet, and you'd do it almost certainly in landscape view, maybe portrait view. I'm not sure of the precise orientation here, but we'll just say, and I like to actually name that, so I'll call it A1, and enter. Later on I might change the name and mention the scale. So here's the A1 sheet. Let's right click and zoom extents. We'll take our grid off. So we're now looking at our stage. Now we can apply our layer states manager here. So let's do that. Come over here and we'll say stage 2 and 3 off, restore, and OK. And you can see we're just left now with stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 have gone off. So it's layer states a very useful way of managing fairly complex projects such as this one.